Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of me. Today we make a full day of eating, and I promise this one's gonna be a more structured one. So maybe you guys have seen my last one. For my first meal I always have oats, protein powder and some type of berries. So we got 250 grams of oats, 40 grams of protein powder and 150 of berries. And that's really always my first meal. And I've already mentioned it, you can mix it up. You can take a different type of fruit, maybe bananas or a mix of berries. You could just use a different protein powder, and basically all the time you would have different meals. So yeah, that's meal number one. And I just put them in there frozen. Yeah, you have to give them a few more minutes to unfroze, but I don't know, I like it this way. Currently I'm at around about 4,100 calories. My body weight is pretty stagnant, so maybe I'll have to adjust that and go up to 4,200 or 300. But yeah, my meals pretty much will stay the same. I just rotate them over and over again, and I'll show you my favorite ones. So yeah, I'll enjoy this. And isn't that lovely? So for meal number two I have toast. I think it's 230 grams approximately. So that's around 100 grams of carbs. That's just to snack. All those vitamins, E, D, they're fat soluble, so it just makes sense to eat them with some sorts of fat. So we got fats from the eggs, that's 275 grams of eggs, and I think it's lettuce, just some greens. So yeah, while eating a lot, try to keep it as healthy and as natural as possible. Yeah, because eating above 4,000 calories isn't the healthiest thing you can do for your body. Yeah, it operates quite better with lower amounts of foods. But yeah, that's meal number two. Let's do this. Okay, so here we go with meal number four. Oh, sorry, three. This is my pre-workout meal. So I go for rice flakes, rice krispies, whatever. And all these big supplement brands have them, but I just go for a supermarket version, because it's, well, there's no real difference between rice flakes from ESN or from, I think they're from DM. Yeah, that's really not a difference, but the price is different. So we have 120 grams of them to fill up our glycogen and have more strength and power in the gym. Then we have 50 grams of a whey. This one's vegan because I think I got it from my gym, and the consistency so is pretty good. Then I got 70 grams of banana, I can show you, and a little honey on top. So this one's completely without any fats, just carbs and protein. And yeah, that's the perfect bowl for training. So I'll get this in, and I'm gonna film a upper body session today. So that's gonna be on YouTube tomorrow. Yeah, let's get this in. And honestly, I know bodybuilding food sounds a bit repetitive and lazy and lame. Not lazy, but it tastes freaking good. Well, if you have to eat above 4,000 calories, some may have to eat about 4,500, 4,600, 4,700. Things can get really hard. Yeah, I think some guys know what I mean. But food still tastes very good. So yeah, let's just make it as easy as possible. Okay, so we just got home from the gym, and first things first, I fill up my glycogen. So we've got 30 grams of Haribo. Yeah, this got pretty late again. I'm still not used to eating that late, but I have to push my sleeping time a little back, so we are gonna be fine. Okay, let's finish this off. So in here I got 200 grams of pasta. I think it's, well, I can show you. It's a whole grain, so it's not just the basic pasta. So we got 200 grams of that and 100 grams of broccoli. Broccoli is a veggie I use quite often because it's got some pretty beneficial stuff in it, and it, well, speaking for me, it tastes good. But taste can be different. Well, most of the people like things like onions and paprika, which I'm not a fan of. So we got 200 grams of pasta, 100 grams of broccoli, and the holy chicken. That's 180 grams. And to finish this off, I just pick a sauce of my choice. You guys are actually above my fridge, so that's this one again. I like this one quite a lot, and we make it just a bit. There's nothing really in there. Okay. No. Yeah, 50 grams is good, just to have some more taste. And that's really it. So it's a nice little bowl. I really like to spice things up a bit, talking food-wise. So I use quite a bit of chili powder, especially beneficial to boost your metabolism a bit. May be beneficial prior to bedtime, so I'm not digesting the whole night. Yeah, so that's my full day of eating. I'll show you this one. That's it. Oh, the camera.